Alright guys, welcome to today's edition of the Day Weather by the Weather Wizard. Today's video we're going to discuss the upcoming pattern, why it looks interesting, and why there could be some snow in the forecast. So it will be a cool next 2 to 3 weeks, as I see it right now, with periods of rain and periods of sun. So let's get right into today's weather. I'm about to show you a graphic. When I show you this is just for entertainment purposes. This is by no means my forecast. So there's a snowstorm, as I will annotate on the weather map, coming up, that will give areas in Vermont, New Hampshire, and Massachusetts, mainly the mountains, significant snowfall. So let's look at that right now. This is the next 5 days snowfall. See, the European model wants to give us a little bit of snow. I just think maybe a few wet flakes, nothing more than that really. But the mountains could get up to 15 inches according to the European. This model is more bullish. It says possibly up to 2 feet of snow. I'd be surprised if any area got over 18 inches, to be honest. And then the NAM. NAM's very interesting because it wants to give Boston a foot. I don't really understand that. The NAM has a cold bias sometimes, so that's what happens. And so does the GFS. So, in the next 10 days for snowfall, European doesn't give us much, but look at the GFS. 4 inches of snow for Rochester. I think that is way overdone. I think we could see some wet flakes. Accumulating snow, it's a 50-50 chance at this point. It's very late in the season. So with that note, let's look at our weather map for today. Alright guys, here's your weather map for today. So what we're looking at here is, here's the storm that will bring parts of the northeast, mainly the mountains. Significant snow will track somewhat like this. It moves pretty slowly, kind of stall actually. That's why these snowfalls will be so high. Won't be a very powerful system, but areas I'm circling could see 12 to 18 inches in the most local areas. There already is winter storm warnings posted by the National Weather Service. We could see a couple wet flakes. Maybe southern tier could see up to an inch, but not much more than that, as we are very late in the season. So temperatures today and tomorrow will be in the 40s with rain, mostly for us. Not a lot of rain, half an inch or less, which will further end this drought that we are in. And then the longer term, it starts to warm up a little bit, starting Saturday. Saturday looks dry. Sunday, maybe a couple showers. And then your early week calls for temperatures in the upper 50s, possibly near 60 for a day or two. And then dropping back down on Wednesday to near 50 degrees. And then that is our chance for snow, Tuesday, Wednesday, as there will be Arctic air spewing into our region. And then a front. Along this front will be some precipitation. As this front passes, there will be back-end snow. Whether it's heavy enough to accumulate is undetermined right now, but that is the setup for the next 10 days or so. So that's all for today's forecast, everyone. Thank you, stay tuned, and have a fantastic day. Let's take one last look at our 7-day as we conclude today's video. Alright guys, as we look at this 7-day, I just want to say, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. As it will really help out the channel. Just as a side note, starting Sunday, I will do an every other day schedule for the summer and possibly the fall, as the weather is less exciting in the summer than the winter, in my opinion. Also, if you like this video, please consider giving this video a like and sharing this video with your friends. And also, if you want to hear my previous videos, click to the right. That's all for today, guys. I'll see you in tomorrow morning's upload.